Stop scrolling. What if I told you there's a snake so dangerous that even other deadly snakes are afraid of it? And fact number 5 sounds like something from a horror movie. Fact number 1, the king cobra is the longest venomous snake on Earth, growing up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters long. That's longer than most cars are wide. Fact number 2, unlike most snakes, king cobras actually hunt and eat other snakes, including highly venomous ones. That's right, snake-eating snakes. Fact number 3, when threatened, a king cobra can raise nearly 1/3 of its body off the ground and look a human straight in the eyes. Imagine seeing that in the wild. Fact number 4, a single bite can deliver enough venom to kill a large animal. Its venom attacks the nervous system and can quickly cause paralysis. Fact number 5, here's the shocking part. The king cobra is one of the very few snakes in the world that builds a nest for its eggs and fiercely guards them until they hatch. A giant venomous snake protecting its babies? That's something most people never expect. The king cobra isn't just dangerous, it's one of the most fascinating reptiles on Earth. Which fact shocked you the most? Comment below and follow for more unbelievable animal facts.